Hello everybody. So now today I'm going to be teaching you how to use a hoverboard. Model 1 for the hoverboard. You know which model it is by it shows it on this bottom. So see here it shows hover dash 1. That means it's the hoverboard number 1. So I'm going to be showing you how to ride the hoverboard. So here's how you'll get started. How you on it is you should look at the bottom part. It should show a button here and with the cap area next to it. So you click on this button. It should make a sound. And then if you press it for a couple of seconds, it should show a green light. And then that means you're all good to start riding. And now I'll teach you how to do the actual moving. So now you need to get on top of this. So if you just started, you should probably roll it to the side so you don't drop it. You bring it near a chair. I have a chair right here. And to put it on, put your legs on. If you already know how to do it, you should try doing this. And so now you can get on top of your hoverboard. But how in the world do you even ride your hoverboard? How to ride your hoverboard is so you put your legs first like flat on top of the board, and then next what you do is then you should have your legs, there should be nothing moving. For me it's a little moving because of the hoverboard and I'm not able to keep it that still, but it doesn't matter if you're not moving too much. And then now you should put your legs flat like I said, and then what else you do is just now to move left. You put your left leg, put the toe of your left leg and then just push it down. So I use my right leg, I go right. My left leg, I go left. So right leg, left leg. Another way you can do it is you just tilt your body, tilt your arm left, right, and then left or right. Because how your foot moves with your arm. Then you can try moving fast and then go other way. One way and the other way. And once you got that, you need to know how to move forward. Like how you move left and right, you move your toe down for the direction. You can move both toes down at the same time and then you move forward. If you want to move backwards, you put your heels backwards and then you go backwards. So it's forwards or backwards. Forwards and backwards. You have to practice many times and then soon you'll be able to move round and around, forward or left or backwards. A tip to do it better is bend your knees a little, not too much but only a little. So now you need to know how to go faster. So you step on it like normal, you lean forward and put a lot of pressure on it. Then you move faster. Forwards and backwards. You can even use the momentum from that to move left and right sometimes faster. So now you know how to do it faster. Hope you learned something new. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.